Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today with a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, stock number 6033. This ran from 02-2014 to 11-2022. Has a KL 3.2 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 9-speed automatic transmission. This is a KL 3.2 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door one scrape in the rear, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,